Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we're down at Seaford. We're about 45 kilometres southeast of Melbourne in Victoria, Australia. And we're here at the new section of track in Seaford. They've just put in the new overpass as well, just a bit further down. And we're here to catch a couple of metro trains going past, hopefully at speed. There's our electronic control towers. And you'll be able to see the control towers that are automated on the top of the trains that goes past. They fold up and down. Alright, let's wait for a train. Well, there goes one. And bang goes the signal. Hope you can see that. I can't see anything through my viewfinder at the moment. Alright, he's going around the corner down there. Alright, there's one train down. Okay, we've got a train coming from the other direction. And he's about to go past the caution light for the other track. And we'll watch him knock down the signal. Bang, there it goes. Cool. So the next train shouldn't be too far along here. We'll wait and see if we can get a train meet. Let's set a minute 41. Okay, green highball down there. And green highball in that direction. So let's get a train meet. He knocks down the signal. See him going around the corner there, no train meet. Dang it. I was hoping we had two green highballs there. I thought we might get a meet. There should be another train coming around that corner any second of the clock now. Okay. Next train along. A bit quicker, and bang, there go the lights. I don't think we're going to get a train meet. We'll head further down the line and see what we can catch up with here anyway. So, new section at Seaford, just been complete in the last year, and that'll be Special Agent Fox Mulder out.